What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So recently we had a cool company reach out to us by the name of Riwbox, who shot us over a pair of their TX8 over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones for us to take a look at right here on this channel. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. Now, first and foremost, I just got to say thank you to them for actually sending them out, because you guys know that I appreciate any and everything we get on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then you might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's take a look at these headphones. So if you're looking for these, you can find them right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link in the description. But the price is $29.89, and they do have a 10% off coupon, and they do come in gray, black, pink, and white. So scrolling through real quick, got a nice picture of the headphones right here. We got the touch control. We got different wireless Bluetooth connections as far as devices go that you can connect these to. Multifunction experience. Press the mode button to switch to the TF card function if you need to do that. Right here, this just shows you a diagram of all of the functions on the actual headphones themselves. You got your 3.5, and it has a little button on it as well, so that you can play, pause, skip to the next song, answer phone calls, and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and scroll through. Right here it says we got smart touch controls. We know about that. We got the 5.0 Bluetooth. We know that they're wired as well, so if you run out of juice, you can just throw your 3.5 in there and keep it going. We got soft comfort ear pads, got the TF card slot, and so forth. So let's go ahead and look in the box. All right, so looking at this box, you guys know how I feel about the boxes and the presentation. Right here, we got a lot going on this box right here. Wireless headphones, we got some name stuff going across the top. We got volume control with mic, wireless connected, soundproof, high sound quality, touch function. We got some more specifications right here on the other side. On the back, we got a lot of other cool little information. Excellent battery performance, computer, TV, iPad, smartphones. That's what it works with. You can answer, play, pause, music, hang up the call, decline, all that stuff is packed into these headphones right here, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in the box. So once you open up the box, first things first, you're gonna have a little plastic sleeve over the top of the headphones. Then you're gonna be greeted with the actual headphones. So let's put those to the side for now. Look down here deep in the box. So down here in the bottom of the box, you're going to have your user manual right here with a warranty card as well. And you're going to also have your 3.5 braided cable. As you can see, that's a braided cable. That's a nice look. And it has your little function button right here, so you can control the phone calls, volume, skip track, stuff like that right there. So 3.5. And last but not least, you're going to have your USB-C cable right here for charging. So that's everything that's going to come in the actual box. Let's go ahead and take a look at these headphones. Let's bring these in. So off glance and off first look, they do feel really, really lightweight. I am liking the gold accents. They do look pretty nice. We got some branding going across the top. This feels like a matte rubbery material. As you can see, I'm already getting some fingerprints right here, but it's like a matte rubbery material. And right on the inside, that's pretty soft, as you can see, and it's a rubber matte material as well. Got the gold accents, liking that. We got right and left inside of the actual ear cups. They feel pretty soft. We got all our function buttons and stuff right here on the side with the TF card slot, USB, and we also have the little indicator light here letting you know you're getting power and stuff like that. So first glance, like I said, they look pretty nice. They do kind of feel really light. I won't say that they feel super cheap, but they do feel like they're about $20 to $30, you know, as far as headphones go. They kind of fit the price. How they feel, it does fit the price, if that makes sense. But I do like the gold accents. They look pretty good, man. I mean, I feel them. I think if you was in the gym rocking these and somebody walked up on you, they wouldn't think twice to, you know, to critique these or say something negative about them. I think they look the part, you know what I mean? So with that being said, let me get a little bit of time with these, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna really dive a little bit more into how they sound, how they fit, and just a little bit more of the actual build quality. All right. Oh, one thing, let me check this real quick before we. Okay. So yeah, that's really tight and sturdy. Yeah, that's tight. So yeah, I don't think that's gonna get loose anytime soon and get pretty wobbly. Yeah, that's real nice and tight. So that's also a good look right there. So we'll be right back, guys. Give me about 30, 45 minutes, and we'll come back and we'll dive a little bit more into these headphones. All right, be right back. All right, so we back real quick, guys. So first off, let's talk about the actual build quality of these, since I've had about a good hour and some change to mess around with these. Build quality, I'm gonna have to give these, I'm not gonna give them like a ranking or anything, but I will say that they do actually kind of feel like they are worth $29 to $30 or whatever the case. They don't feel like super premium or anything like that, but I won't beat them up too bad because of the actual price. I think for the price, this is to be expected as far as the build quality. Not like the best build quality. One thing I did notice right here is that little spacing right here. That's one thing I did notice, and I wanted to point that out to you guys because I'm pretty sure you guys will see that and say, hey, but what about that? That's a little bit of a spacing there, and it's a little bit of a spacing here. But on this side right here, it looks to be pretty good on that side. I'm not sure if that's, it doesn't look like it's coming apart or anything. It's just, you know, just a little bit of a spacing right there. So I noticed that, and I dug deep into these, man. I really dug deep into them. But like I say, for the price, you really can't beat these. Do I think that these can hold up if you take care of them? Yes, I think if you can just take care of your stuff, I think that these will last you a good bit of time. Moving right into the Fitment, wearing these for the past 45 minutes to an hour, I gotta go out on a limb and say that they are comfortable. I didn't get any ear fatigue. My ear didn't sweat. Now keep in mind, I haven't been to the gym yet, but I am going to the gym here in about the next hour, and I'm going to wear these to the gym for the first time. I didn't, get any ear fatigue wearing these for the past hour. They feel pretty good. I have no complaints as far as how they feel when you're wearing them. I have no complaints as far as fitment. I have no complaints as far as when you kind of extending them to get the perfect size for your head. No complaints there. Cushions feel good. Everything feels good. So no complaints as far as comfortability. I think that these are comfortable. I think that you can rock these on a vacation. I think you can take these on the plane with you. You can go through the airport with these on your head the whole time, and you probably won't have any ear fatigue at all. As far as sweating in these, I'm not 100% sure. I will know that here shortly when I go to the gym. But when I come back and do a follow-up on these in a little bit, in a little while, I'll be able to dive even more into these because I'll be done wearing them for at least a couple of months. So we'll come back and visit them again. So let's move right into sound quality. Now, as far as sound quality goes, this has to be where these headphones shine. These headphones have let me make sure I say this right. They have a significant amount of bass. And when I say a significant amount, that doesn't mean that they're too bass heavy where it drowns out the actual sound. No, these, for the price, sound crispy and they sound amazing. I can't believe that they sound that good for the price and for, the bass that they're putting out and that little bit of a rumble that you get in these headphones. It's a deep bass too, and it's a deep, rich bass. So sound quality on these, man, you will not be disappointed. I think that these are great for just lounging around the house, man, rocking your iPad, sitting down watching a movie or something. I think that these, they work. You know what I mean? They just work, and I think that they're just a decent set of headphones for the price. I'm 100% sure that if you were to buy these, even just for your kids, they will think that they are rocking a pair of top-of-the-line headphones as far as sound quality goes. Now, you guys know how I feel about my, cheaper side of headphones. You guys know that one of my favorite sets of headphones in general has to be Zoomies. I think they're called Zoomies, yep. Now, those headphones compared to these, man, they're like right on par. And those Zoomies are my favorite headphones as far as cheap goes. And those are about 19 bucks. And I still got them 6 years later. I still have them. So for these, sound quality, you cannot deny the sound quality coming out of these. So as far as touch controls and functions, guys, typical headphones, nothing really to rant and rave about. Every set of headphones that you've had that you can answer phone calls with, skip tracks, play pause, turn up the volume, and things like that. I think that these work just as any other set of headphones. There's really nothing to complain about. There's nothing to really kind of bring out into the forefront as far as any issues with that. They just work. They just work just like any typical set of headphones. And connectivity as far as Bluetooth, just like any other headphone, you turn them on, search them in your Bluetooth, and you're good to go. But one thing I do want to say before I wrap this video up is that do not be afraid to take chances and try other gear, guys. There's a lot of other, you know, manufacturers and pieces of gear out there that a lot of us overlook just because it's not, you know, name brand and things like that. These headphones right here, I promise you, if you were to try these, they will blow you away as far as sound quality goes. I am a huge stickler of gear. You guys know how I am about gear, and I love gear. I love all types of gear. I don't care who makes the gear. If the gear works, the gear works. And in all honesty, these just work. They just work for what they are. And I will say, for the price, they do come across as a little plasticky, a little cheapy here and there, but the sound quality can't be denied on these bad boys. Now, if you found this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.